More in America for Fresenius Kabi means actually doing more in America for the entire pharmaceutical supply chain. So everything from strategy and portfolio functions up front, through R&D, through regulatory affairs, through actual production and distribution centers, eventually to our patient, all done in America.
Really, the concept of manufacturing for the local market has been so critical. We see how important it is to have local manufacturing for the markets we serve.
So everything from how we work with our API suppliers and the partnership we form up front, all the way through the efficiencies that we have to drive to make sure that we've got a robust system that can continue to deliver product as needed.
We make things that keep people alive. And the more that people understand the very fundamentals of what we do and how important it is, the more they understand why we're here.
It's one global team that works seamlessly together to collaborate and work together to make sure that we're able to actually deliver for our patients is sort of our mission.
Anybody can put in a piece of equipment. Getting it to run and getting it to run consistently is dependent on these crews of great engineers and operators and supervisors that do this every day.
Not only have we made significant investments, to the tune of $1 billion in the US alone, but we continue to feed those investments with the right talent, the right focus, and the right energy.
Everyone is an expert in what they do. It doesn't matter if you're a packaging operator, a filling line engineer, a financial controller, or a QC chemist.
You have a large global organization and its resources behind us. That really should drive a lot of confidence that we'll be in this for the long term with the patient and the customer top of mind.